Hello guys, welcome to Gadget. Chinese smartphone maker Xiaomi has announced its latest flagship devices in the Mi series, dubbed as the Mi 8, Mi 8 Explorer Edition, and Mi 8 SE, at its annual launch event to celebrate its 8th anniversary. Apart from this, the company also announced the Mi Band 3, MIUI 10, Mi VR Standalone, and Mi TV 4 75-inch at the event. While the company announced the MIUI 10 today, the newly launched Mi series devices are currently running on MIUI 9 and are scheduled to be upgraded to MIUI 10 in the coming days. The Mi 8 and Mi 8 Explorer Edition feature similar specifications but differ in terms of design. The Mi 8 SE has been launched with the Snapdragon 710 system on a chip, making it the first device to be powered by the recently announced system on a chip. So in this video, we're going to take a look at the Mi 8 phone's specifications. Starting from the Xiaomi Mi 8 and Mi 8 Explorer Edition specifications. As mentioned earlier, the Mi 8 and Mi 8 Explorer Edition feature similar specifications but differ in terms of design. Both devices run on Android 8.1 Oreo with MIUI 9 skinned on top and are scheduled to receive the MIUI 10 update soon. While the Mi 8 features a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor, the Mi 8 Explorer Edition is equipped with an in-display fingerprint sensor, similar to the recently launched Vivo X21. Additionally, it has a transparent back panel, allowing you to see some of the internals of the device. The Mi 8 and Mi 8 Explorer Edition features a 6.21-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with DCI P3 color gamut, a resolution of 2248 by 1080 pixels, and an aspect ratio of 80.7 by 9. Both devices sports a notch at the top, which houses the front camera, proximity sensor, earpiece, and infrared sensor. In terms of performance, the Mi 8 and Mi 8 Explorer Edition are powered by the octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 system on a chip, coupled with Adreno 630 GPU. In terms of memory, the Mi 8 will be available in 3 variants: 6 plus 64GB, 6 plus 128GB, and 6 plus 256GB. The Mi 8 Explorer Edition has been launched with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Coming to the camera department, the Mi 8 and Mi 8 SE feature a dual camera setup at the back, consisting of a 12-megapixel primary camera with 1.8 aperture, 1.4 micron pixel size, 26mm wide-angle lens, 4-axis optical image stabilization, optical zoom, and a secondary 12-megapixel camera with 2.4 aperture, 2x zoom, and 1 micron pixel size. On the front, they sport a 20-megapixel selfie camera with AI portrait support. The Mi 8 and Mi 8 Explorer Edition are powered by 3400 mAh and 3000 mAh battery respectively, with Qualcomm Quick Charge 4.0 support. While the Mi 8 features Eye or Face Unlock, the Explorer Edition supports 3D Face Unlock. Connectivity options on the device include dual 4G, Voice over LTE, Wi-Fi, dual frequency GPS, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, and a USB Type-C port. Moving on to the Xiaomi Mi 8 SE specifications. In terms of performance, the Mi 8 SE is powered by the recently launched Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 system on a chip coupled with Adreno 616 GPU. In terms of memory, the device has been launched in 2 variants: 4GB of RAM plus 64GB of storage, and 6GB of RAM plus 64GB of storage. The Xiaomi Mi 8 SE runs on Android 8.1 Oreo with the MIUI 9 skinned on top and is scheduled to get the MIUI 10 update soon. It features a 5.88-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a notch and resolution of 2248 by 1080 pixels, and an aspect ratio of 18.7 by 9, similar to the Mi 8. Coming to the camera department, The Xiaomi Mi 8 SE features an AI dual camera setup at the back, consisting of a 12 megapixel primary camera with 1.9 aperture, along with a 5 megapixel secondary camera with 2.0 aperture. On the front, the device sports a 20 megapixel selfie camera with AI portrait support. The Xiaomi Mi 8 SE is powered by a 3120 mAh battery with quick charge 3.0 support and features a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor. Connectivity options on the device include 4G voice over LTE, Wi-Fi, USB Type-C port, GPS, and Bluetooth 5.0. The Xiaomi Mi 8 is priced at 2,699 Chinese yuan for the 64GB storage variant, 2,999 Chinese yuan for the 128GB storage variant, and 3,299 Chinese yuan for the 256GB variant. The Mi 8 Explorer Edition is priced at 3,699 Chinese yuan. Both the device will be available in China from June 5th and are expected to launch in India soon. The Xiaomi Mi 8 SE has been priced at 1,799 Chinese yuan for the 4GB of RAM variant and 1,999 for the 6GB of RAM variant. It will go on sale in China starting from June 8th. So what do you think about these three devices? Which one you opt to buy? Leave us your thought in the comment section below. Give us a like if you enjoyed the video and also subscribe for more info and updates. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next time.